Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S9 FE and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Let's tap on it. And currently we are in the video mode, so make sure that you're on the photo mode. And now we can take a look at this option bar, which in this configuration of the device is on the right hand side. So the timer is on the second position from the top, so let's tap on it. And as you can see, we've got basically 4 different options, so off, 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. All you have to do is to tap on the option you'd like to use. I will pick 10 seconds, so let me tap on it. And it is notified right here, so we've got this 10 mark. And this icon is also highlighted, which is a nice touch because thanks to this you can see that you've got actually the timer applied. You will not be surprised after touching the shutter button. And basically all we have to do right now is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, from 5 or 3 I believe, I mean depending on which option you've chosen, and basically after that time it will take a photo. Okay, you can always turn off the timer just by tapping on this icon at the top. Right now it is not highlighted, which means that the timer is off, and right now the device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.